Hello everyone, how have you guys been doing? Let me know in the comments section below because after all, I cannot hear what you're saying. So let me know in your comment section how you're feeling, how you have experienced your day. But on the lighter side, welcome back to my channel to watch another one of my unboxing, and this time again I have Hermes unboxing, so I will be very pleased and glad to show you this. So what I have now is something that I find that will be really suitable for my ostrich Birkin, because I think the color somehow it matches, and probably I will do another video to show you how this looks or complement my ostrich Birkin. So for this video, I'm just going to show you the unboxing. I got this from the Hermes boutique and I'm pretty much surprised that I can find it. So I got it, I think within 5 minutes. You know, when I see it, I decided I grab it and I go. But of course, before I left, I actually asked to take a look again at their fine jewelry section, just in case they have some new arrivals for fine jewelry, which is something that I always liked, because I think Hermes fine jewelry is beautiful the way the workmanship is. And one thing that I have to mention is about the way they structure the design, because they look, almost all the design looks so classic. You know, like when you see it, you definitely know it's from Hermes. So that's one strong point about their design. In terms of their watches, well, I've got a whole new story about the watches, something that I would probably discourage you from purchasing the watches, but I'm not sure how helpful that will be, because people always like to talk about the good side. Nobody like to talk about the bad things, you know, of a certain brand, because it might upset people, make people angry. You know, the shock might come after you if you know you mentioned about the bad things about the brand or bad things about the workmanship, etc. So I'm not sure how keen you are in listening to the cons, the unhappiness of buying a brand that you know you probably like a lot or you follow a lot. So let me know in the comment section below if you like to hear about things that you may not wish to hear but you're still curious. So let me know. And so in this video, let's do the unboxing of my recent purchase. And if you can see, I have not unboxed this at home, so let's do it together, of course with you guys. And if you notice, this is in a longish shaped box, and guess what it is? I really love for you to do in the comment section below. Now let me know what you guess this is. 8 seconds time for you to guess and write it in the comment section below. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, click on the submit